Is it on? Oh, Harry Moffat. Hello everybody, how are we? Hope we're doing well. Oh, that was a crap intro. Hello, and welcome back to AOC Kit Spotting. I've got some bad news. Due to unforeseen circumstances, I didn't film any kit this week. I try to do a video every week at least, and yeah, it didn't happen. So I'm gonna have a look through the memory card on the old camera and see what videos we can drag up and what kit there is, because there must be a lot of kit. I've been spotting kit now for many years, so I'm gonna have a look through and see what videos we can tell. I went to San Francisco a year ago, so I've got some kit from that, I should think. So yeah, I shall yeah, just hang tight and we'll see what's on the old camera. Cheers. So I thought I'd try something a little different here. Go and do a commentary. Right, so 2018 snow day, we had the good idea to tow a sledge behind the Land Rover. It was good fun. Here's me doing some donuts, being silly as usual. What have we got now? Oh, the old 90 in the snow. Absolutely loving it. Absolutely loving it. What have we got rolling up next? Ah! The Defender by the Drone. It's a pretty boring video, I'm not going to lie. But there you go. So yeah, this was all happening beginning of the year. Then I went to San Francisco. This is on the descent down into the bay. With the British flag flying. Well, there's a brand new Ford Raptor that I saw on the bus. Me having a beer, watching some American football. There's some flags on Pier 39. There's a cool Jeep. Here's a Range Rover Classic. Corvette Stingray kit. Navara in the background. Don't call it Navara. There's a Ford Highway Patrol vehicle. Yeah, good trip. And back to London we go. This was at the London Classic Car Show. That was the Urban Automotive stand. There's a Lamborghini Countach. What else have we got coming up? Ah, the Range Rover Chieftain, done by Jensen International Automotive. They rewired the whole thing, reworked it, looked absolutely stunning and fabulous as a car. Yeah, incredible, absolutely incredible. It had a Cadillac engine, I think it was, V8, CTS engine. Good car that, looked cool. There's a Ferrari Testarossa from Miami Vice, or just from the 90s. This was hay and harvest. There's the old Ford flat out, rowing up, ready for baling. And then here comes the big Defender, the new 110. It's not new, but it's new to me. The one I'm driving at the moment, on a hell of a lot of hay. Probably about 3-4 ton of hay there. Certainly over the limit, the legal limit anyway, but it was on private land, so it doesn't matter. On the 18-foot Eiffel Williams trailer there, flat out. What have we got now coming up? Cool, here we go. More hay is on the Massey after a bit of tedding. So this is back on the farm, bit more harvest going on. John Deere 6930 on the 14-ton Marston trailer, carting off the Tucano 440, operated by Toby O'Dell. Love a bit of harvest. I think it was barley that was being harvested there. Certainly looks it. Yes, it was, because I remember it being incredibly itchy. All the dust. Avoid the dust. Ooh, love a bit of harvest. Love a good unload. Right. Yeah, that's good. Oh, here's me in a Jaguar F-Type. I used to work for them We had some good cars on the go there. This was at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. It's Porsche. Oh, there's a Porsche that's been rallied up. There's another Porsche. Modern Porsches ever so much. Brilliant that. That was the Range Rover SV Coupe. 250 grand. Here's the Jaguar Land Rover Defender Works 70th edition. All very nice with a V8, 5 litre V8, £150,000. Only 250 of them being built, I think, something like that. Not many. Very rare car. Here's some footage of it cracking on up the hill at Goodwood. Did sound good. Did sound good. There's cool Aston Martin. Right. This now is just some nice photos of the Defender. Not in its best form though. This was it when it had its 18-inch alloys on it, rather than it being in its big beefed up state. Its sensible state, I'd like to say. Mark 2 of the 110. I think we're probably on about Mark 3.5 at the moment. But yeah, so it was all clean, looked good. Had a professional videographer do all these images, so it all looked very smart and shining, all very, very crisp. We've got now coming up. Oh, here we go. This is a video of a light bar. Thanks for watching that. I don't actually know what I've put in it yet. Filming this straight after the other one. The power of movie magic. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, la-di-da-di-da, hit the bell, this, that and the other. Follow me on Instagram, yeah, whatever. Go steady! Oh, bloody hell, Snapchat's so flat out. Cheers!